How do I add a picture to a TikTok comment using the website?
Hey everyone! In today's guide, we're going to discuss how to add a picture to a TikTok comment using the website. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, this feature wasn't available, but we will explore the standard ways of commenting.
Can we add pictures to a TikTok comment?
Unfortunately, TikTok does not support picture uploads in comments. This may seem surprising, but as of my last update in 2021, this is the case. This policy is likely in place to maintain the platform's focus on videos, prevent spam, and ensure a safe environment for all users.
How can we engage on TikTok then?
While you can't add pictures in a TikTok comment, there are many other ways to engage with the content. 1. Leave a text comment. Simply type your thoughts in the comment section and hit post. Remember, good digital citizenship rules apply here, too. 2. Use emojis. Express your reactions through emojis. They can be an effective way of conveying emotions and reactions without using words. 3. Duet or stitch. If you'd like to respond more visually, consider using TikTok's duet or stitch features. These allow you to create a side-by-side response video, duet, or clip a segment of another user's video and add your own content to it, stitch. That's it, folks. Remember, as of now, TikTok does not allow the addition of pictures and comments, but there are numerous other ways to engage on the platform. Continue to watch this space for updates and more tips on how to make the most of your TikTok experience. Until next time, happy TikToking!